Hi learners. Today's lesson can be a good topic for a date. When two people do not know what to talk about, but you can always talk about your hobby. What are your hobbies?
My hobby is gardening.
What jobs do you have to be done in the orchard, from spring till autumn?
Every spring I can't wait to perform the first jobs in the garden. At the end of February, I prune the fruit trees. Then in spring, I dig and rake the soil. And plant the vegetables. And sow some seeds. If you're a good gardener, and look after your fruit trees, and plant properly, you will have a good yield in summer and autumn.
What have you got in your orchard and vegetable garden?
In the orchard I have a cherry, an apple, an apricot tree and 2 peach trees. In the vegetable garden I have carrots, parsnip, onions.
What flowers are there in the front garden?
In the front garden I have flowers, mainly tulips, dahlia and asters.
What do you do in winter?
Every year by the end of October, I pick and gather everything from the orchard.
What else do you like doing in your spare time?
In my spare time I like drawing. It's quite relaxing. Besides, I like to DIY, make a birdhouse. Have you got any pets?
I love animals, but unfortunately, I can only afford to have a dog.
What is your dog like?
She's a beautiful, big brown dog, a German Shepherd. Her kennel is outside our front door. She's an excellent watchdog.
Why do you think people take up hobbies?
I think people feel that they ought to do something useful in their spare time. A hobby can provide an opportunity to do something completely different from usual work, and a hobby can later become a career. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and write your opinion about the video.